Alright, we're going to be making some brownies with peanut M&M's. First things first, take it out of the box. Open the package without making a mess. Then we're going to need 1 egg. One-third cup water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, but we're going to switch it to 1/2 cup of butter and 1/3 cup of milk. We're going to add some caramel creamer with some almond milk. Do 1/3. So we're going to do half. And the other half with milk. I'm going to do half butter, other half with oil. This is 1/2. I'm going to take a spoon or a fork and mix it all together. Make sure you get the corners because that's where a lot of the powder will be hiding.
We're just going to stay mixing.
I'm going to take 2 small round pans to do the brownies with. This fits both pans perfectly. All you have to do is pin right here. I'm going to fold it in half. Half like this. Fold it in half. You're going to flip your pan over. Find the center. And we're going to cut all this part right here off.
Pushes the M&Ms down just a little bit. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 350 for 10 minutes.
Check. And we'll be right back. Alright, here are the brownies. Now we just have to let them cool. butter makes it the easiest to come off. And since it has that line right there, just put a spatula, flip,